Okay, you guys, so I'm just giving a quick overlay of what I do in the kitchen. I absolutely love cooking. It's one of my passions, cooking and baking. I was brought up cooking and baking in the kitchen, and it's always been something that stuck with me. And on this day, actually, my girls were in the kitchen with me, which makes it all so great, all so much better, because I want to be able to just be cooked for one day. So I started off by making some dressing, and there's links below in the description box because I have a full video of how I cook dressing. Now this chicken shredder is my absolute favorite. Of course, I got it from TT. Okay, they sent it to me to try it out, and I haven't stopped using it. Now as for dressing, we can eat this all day, all times of the year. Like once I make it, I probably can eat it all day and eat nothing else but the dressing. The egg cooker I got from TT2, I absolutely love and adore it. So as you can see, I'm just tossing it in the oven with everything else that I have put in the oven already. And now to make the greens. Collard greens is actually one of my faves. To me, they have way more flavor. Way more flavor than anything else. And of course, you have to add onions and bell peppers to it. But if you don't, whatever, that's your choice. So we have some chicken breasts and some chicken legs and some chicken thighs up in here. And we're just going to cook that first on each side, just to brown each side of it, and so we can make some butter sauce. Now onto the sweet potatoes, you guys. Do y'all call these yams or sweet potatoes? Let me know down in the comments, what is your preference? We call them sweet potatoes. I know a lot of people call them candy yams. So my daughter was actually making these. My daughter, while my other daughter made this macaroni. Now when it comes to macaroni, if we ain't got the box, we just gonna make us some cheese macaroni, okay? And I actually used a can of cheddar soup. It was so good, so moist, and so delicious when it came out. So delicious. And no, we're not adding any eggs or we're not adding any mustard to our macaroni. We just like macaroni and cheese in this house, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. We add butter to the top so that once it goes in the oven, it can brown. We want a little crisp, like a little boil at the top or whatnot. And I'm just going to use my little small oven for this because as you can see, the other one was absolutely full. Now to make the butter sauce. Now we melted some butter. We add a little bit of brown sugar, some Worcestershire sauce. Always slaughter that word. And some seasonings. And once it cooked and got hot to a boil, we poured over the chicken, you guys. And this is our finished product. This is our meal. You can't have Sunday dinner without Kool-Aid, okay? Not without Kool-Aid. We have the chicken, the greens, the dressing, macaroni, and sweet potatoes. And of course, before I leave, I have to let you guys know that I do sell cookies, and we ship on Mondays and Wednesdays. Go ahead and get them orders in, okay? See you later.